Hi everyone, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel. I am here today to share another crafty dare on Instagram. We post every Friday with 3 new items that we were dared to use on a project. So this week's dare, the 3 items are pumpkins, a witch, and leaves. So I was like, I knew what stamp I wanted to use for the witch, but I didn't know how I was going to incorporate, a pumpkin and leaves to the whole mix. Okay, so I used a pumpkin from Dollar Tree. It's just a wood pumpkin. I used this witch stamp from La La Land Crafts, and I love these paper dolls. I have quite a bit in my collection. And I used some paper and a ribbon and some sequins. Okay, so let me show you what I created. So here is my project. Let me bring you down a little bit so you can see it a little closer. So what I did was I painted the pumpkin with some brown acrylic paint. I covered it with this paper that I had in my stash. So in the background here you can see the brown stem. I paper pieced her. I didn't want to color her, which I did a little bit around her face, but so I stamped her on some book pages. I paper pieced her hat with the paper that's on the other side of this paper. It's this green chevron. And then here is some of that paper for this part of her dress. I used some same paper on her shoes. And on her hat there. And then I just used regular cardstock for her hair. So I made her not so much a witchy, but like a fall witch. So she's really, really cute. And then I added some leaves to her hat, and then I added some glass gold balls. They're like little beads through the holes in them. I did add another leaf to the back side of this ribbon. This is Dollar Tree ribbon, and I just love how she turned out. And then I stamped out Happy Fall, and I backed it with the same paper on her dress. So yeah, I just really love how she turned out. Isn't she cute? I just love it. So that is my crafty dare for this week. I hope you guys can join us. Hashtag Craftydares on Instagram, and then you'll get to see all the projects that everybody's been posting. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.